Hey there, fellow garden enthusiasts. Today, I've got an exciting product to share with you that will take your lawn care game to the next level. Introducing the 68-inch grass trimmer head Derusting weeding wheel with fixing kit rusting dust removal plate garden power tool for lawn mover. This amazing tool is designed to make your gardening tasks easier and more efficient. With its internal fixed plate structure, you can rest assured that it's not only consistent but also safe to use. Unlike other trimmer heads, this one is more sharp and efficient, allowing it to work normally, even when hitting stones and hard blocks. Plus, it has a service life that's 10 times longer than other trimmer heads. Talk about durability, and the best part? It's suitable for most trimmer models and straight-shaft garden pole tools products, making it a versatile addition to your gardening arsenal. Made of steel wire, this Derusting weeding wheel is not only durable but also rust-resistant, ensuring a long service life. And to top it all off, its performance, safety, and quality are 100 tested, so you can have peace of mind while using it. So, why wait? Elevate your lawn care routine with the 68-inch grass trimmer head Derusting weeding wheel. Say goodbye to rusty, inefficient tools and hello to a seamless gardening experience. Purchase yours today by clicking the link in the description and take the first step towards a beautifully maintained garden. And remember, if you encounter any issues with the product, our after-sales service will be there to provide you with a satisfactory solution. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting gardening tools and tips.